What's good, everybody, bro? Y'all see the Asics logo on the box, so you already know what kind of unboxing it is. This specific shoe right here, it's one of the Asics that have always been like selling out and then restocking. And so this is my first time able to cop. Well, I could have copped before, but the thing with me, right, is I don't know how long the Asic trend is really gonna last, right? And I know it's trending right now, but I don't want to just buy these Asics because really a lot of people be upselling you on these Asics, bro. They're kind of widely available. You just got to do minimal groundwork, right? But I caught it on a restock. I had a client, he wanted these, I bought it for him. They just came from the Asics website, and this was my first time buying from the Asics website. And I literally had to take it. I didn't even want to show y'all the packaging that they gave me, right? It was trifling, bro. It was trifling. They put it in one of those little gray USPS bags. So it kind of already made me feel like I was buying fakes. And then they slapped the label right on top of the box. I'm like, bro, luckily it was a simple peel off. But I'm like, bro, if this was another shoe where the box wasn't really basic, I would have been mad. But I digress. We're here for the unboxing, so let's get straight into it. Just starting with the box of the Asics, right? They're gonna have that standard brown Asics box because I would keep it a buck with y'all. Yes, they're trending right now. Yes, they're mainstream, but these are literally the same Asics that people were getting made fun of, bro. So let's get into it, bro. Cause y'all gonna see what I mean when I open up the box. It's literally the same exact Asics, and we're gonna talk about that in the unboxing. So, like I said, these are the Gel-1130s. So there are two main ones that people are really buying. It's the 1130s and the 2160s. The 2160s kind of like a more bulkier look. These are gonna be more of a slim version, right? Now, if you are interested in these after the unboxing, you can always check out my Instagram. I'm always selling. And then if I don't have them, I'm gonna read off this style code for you. You can go ahead and put that in your search engine. And like I said, these are somewhat widely available, so you might get lucky and can just get them for retail. So the color code is 1201A256-119, and you guys see it right there. And these are also called the White Tunas, and you guys will see here in a second because again, it's really self-explanatory. These are a size 13, so most of my clients are basketball players, so we tend to wear the same size. So I'll be able to try these on for you. You guys will see an on-foot look, and also see how they run. Now, from what I've heard, I heard that they run true to size, but this will actually be my first time putting my foot in an Asic 1130 because your boy wasn't getting made fun of in high school. I had the Jordans in high school. So here we have it, bro. Now look, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm not gonna, oh my God, I'm not gonna hype beats for y'all. I'm gonna give y'all my real deal opinions, right? So let's take them out the box. We're gonna talk about my opinions, and then we're gonna talk about the details with them. So look, just keeping it a buck from you guys. These are the same exact shoes that the old people wear, the old people that walk around the mall before the mall opens. These are the same shoes that people, when they got feet problems, they wear these. These are the same shoes that if you pulled up to the cafeteria lunch table, you get inflamed on. But now that they're trending, now that people got a new style, I'll keep it a buck with y'all. They might not do justice just sitting here in my hand, but I have seen myself and caught myself giving people props sometimes when I see them out in public. But it's a specific style that it makes me really recognize, right? It's the people with, well, that have like just basic tee, maybe like vintage tee, just something real plain basic. But they'll have like sweats, and it'll either be like really baggy sweats or the flare sweats. With the Asics, and it gives off a vibe that it's like that boy's hip, but he not doing too much, right? So I like it when I see that, right? I like that. So that's pretty dope. But like I said, in hand, they probably not gonna do anything justice for you. And the reason why I haven't really bought any, especially the 1130s, because all the 1130s, literally, they don't change anything except the tiger stripes and the midsole. So everything that you see, so these are the White Tunas. So as you can see, the tiger stripes are gonna be that black and blue, and then you have hints where it's saying gel on the back, and then even in the midsole with it being blue. These are what makes it the blue Tunas, right? Even on the tongue, you got it saying gel. All the 1130s, the only thing that they change again is just the hints of the color. So whatever the color is, that's whatever the tiger stripes and the hints will be, right? So, and most of the main ones that are really popular are gonna be like the white and silver ones. I'm white with terrible shoes. I already have beaters, but bro, I ain't gonna lie, they're trash at this point. And they came out with a newer version. I'm talking about the protection packs that I got, the 2002R New Balances. they I guess retroed them or came out with a newer version. So mine aren't as popular, expensive anymore, and people have a better looking version now. So I might eventually get to it just whenever I see a good colorway. Now I did see these orange ones that I just made a video about. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead, check that out. But those are gonna be the ones that I probably got for the first time for a personal. But these are dope. But the one thing I will give Asics credit to, and then I'm gonna show you guys right here. This little sticker right here, this basically talks about the sole, the technology, and the performance of this. Because man, these things are comfortable. So if you're the type of person trying to get into fashion, or you've been rocking like Jordans, Air Forces your whole life, bro, you can still fit in and be, oh my God, so comfortable, bro. And like, since I've been wearing my New Balances, I have not wanted to go back to my Jordans, bro. It's taken me a slow little walk to get to Asics, but so far my New Balances, bro, comfort over anything, bro. I even just bought my Nike Air Pegasus, bro. I didn't think those were gonna be comfortable. Oh my God, so it's really hard for me to go back to Jordan. So that was the only thing that really gravitated me towards the Asics. And then you see all this mesh material right here, and see how plushy it is, bro. These are basically ventilation vents for your feet, bro. All that air circulation is gonna be going through your feet. You're gonna feel this plush on your feet, on the sides of your feet, everything. See how I can just do this? You can't do that with leather shoes, bro. You can't do these with these hard shoes. For example, these is that harder material, bro. You're getting all that hard, bro. This you can even hear the difference, bro. These are tough. So these are the same size as me, so I'm gonna go ahead and try them on so you guys can see. I'm gonna try and find some sweats. I don't have any real baggy sweats. I don't have any flares. Not my collection, my closet is behind. My collection is still stuck in like 2020, bro. Not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna try my best to see what I can do, and we're gonna try them on. But yeah, these are gonna be one of the most comfortable shoes that you have in general, bro. So if you like that, go ahead, bro. And the thing with 1130s, like I said, the only difference that they literally do is just change essentially just the tiger stripe. So you can literally just type in Asics 1130 and just find whatever color that you want, and then you can rock it, and you basically you in the game, right? So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all in the next POV. Peace. All right, so here we got the Asics. These were the best sweats that I could find. These are literally like the only pair of sweats that are like that remotely baggy look, right? So go ahead and put it on. I want to see how these feel, but I'm really curious. They feel exactly like how I expected. Now I'm gonna keep it a beam, bro. I just did an unboxing on these. I ain't gonna lie, comfort wise, these beat. But these are definitely comfortable. I think those have just like extra feel of cushion. This is just like a regular just cushion, right? I think they'll feel comfortable. You can definitely feel the soft insole, and you can definitely feel the mesh surrounding your feet. And then also I would probably, they look like not bad, right? Not bad at all. Now me personally, so I still have them factory laced. So I would probably just loosen them up a little bit, but for the sizing, you definitely don't need to, in my opinion, I don't think you need to go up a size or you need to go down a size. And also be aware with this mesh material, as you walk more, as you run them down a little bit, it's definitely gonna stretch out a little bit more. So also take that in mind. But I have them factory laced right now, so it does feel, I wouldn't even say tight, it just feels very secure on my foot. So me personally, I would loosen them up a little bit, and then the lacing, and then but that's how I wear my shoes anyway, with the laces dangling out. But as I wear, well, I'm not gonna wear these, I'm selling these, but for you guys, when I ever get to wearing them more and they get broke into, that's when I'll start lacing them regular, because you will feel a loosening up just a little bit just because of that mesh material. But this is how they look on feet, man. It's not bad, like I said. But with the sweats, this is also good. This is just like very calm. But me personally, I would probably either get like a baggier pair or just more of the flare. These are just like regular. These were gifted to me. Shout out politics, man. Shout out to politics. These were gifted to me, so this is the type of outfit, you know what I mean, that you see with the Asics. So it's like you can style them. This is like, I don't know how to explain it, but this is like style that's like styled up for the Asics. So it's not really a fit, but you're still stylish, right? This is just like every day where you want to still seem hip, that you have the ability to put it on, but you're not really fully stepping out. I think that's the whole point of the Asics 1130s. But these are nice, man. But That's it for the video. Like I said, true to size. You can always go to my Instagram at @forthetoe_, see what I got available. Or you can go back to the beginning of the video and copy that style code, type it in your search engine, and see whatever they find. Because if you're able to find it for retailing your size, do that first before you come to me. But you can always, it don't cost to show your boy some love. So you can always go on Instagram, go in the comment section in YouTube, tell me how you like this vid, tell me if you like these shoes. That's about it. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. They got your boy really wearing Asics, bruh.